welcome to Wesbix. I thought, as it is Challenge Lock Wednesday, it is Wednesday, isn't it? I thought I'd see if we can get Eddie D's first challenge lock on film. It's an ERA. Eddie D, that's Edward Duell. He put a post up on Facebook a while back saying he'd made this challenge lock and fancied a bit of feedback on it. It's got a standard key with quite varied bitting and 6-pinner, works very smoothly, so I thought we'd give it a go. See how we get on. So far it's been quite camera shy, but anyway, let's see what we can do. So number 1, click, little click out of 2, little click out of 3, 4, 5, okay, back to number 1, okay, nothing out of 1, nothing out of 2. It does give you good feedback, so I guess that's something that I like challenge locks that don't give you any feedback, so that way it makes them harder. Got a little turn of the core, okay, so back on number 1. It's quite awkward in this keyway because there's no straight down on the pins, you've got to kind of twist across the top. So I mean that in itself can pose quite a challenge. Okay, so we can get number 6. Okay, work our way back. I think I've got an overset in here somewhere. Okay, so back to number 1. Yeah, I've got an overset. Let him click back in a minute. Okay, so number 2 just clicked. Let's get that number 1 down. Got my turn of the core back. Number 1's popped back up. Like I say, there's no straight down. There's got a proper little cranked part in the keyway where your bitting is. Okay, I'm going to go for a reset. Doesn't feel very good. Okay. Let's go back to number 1, see who's going to give us any feedback. No, nothing on number 1. Let's go to the back. Okay, got some out of number 5 then. Some out of number 6. Back onto number 1. Slipping off of number 1. Because you can't get straight down on him. I think he's got some proper pointy topped key pins in here. Okay, just got an overset off number 6 then. I think I've just got number 1 to get down, but he's a fucker. Trying to ease up on the tension as I... Okay, come on. Just got to go down a little bit more. God, he's a tough little fucker, isn't he? Just can't get on that number 1. I'm going to go into it with this one from Andy Law. Okay, fucking motherfucker. Right, there you go. So we're in. Let's have a little look in here, shall we? Get this down. We will lock him back up because we got the key. Drive this off. Turn him that way, punish him in. And just have a little look in here, a bit sharpish. Okay, so key pins are up on top. Okay, so we have changed the key pins. So as you can see, they all really wanted picking. Let's just move that over there a second. So number 1, nice little modified. Oh crikey, he's done a nice job of these. I'll show you these in a sec. Standard there, 2 standards. Really nice deep spool there, or a torpedo. And another standard there. Those drivers there aren't actually key pins, they're driver pins. Oh no, sorry, my mistake. I've got a little dome on top. So no mods to the core. Okay, so number 1, standard spool, 2, standard spool, 3, spool, 4, nice steel, like deeply serrated with a kind of a coney sort of top. A kind of a mushroom pin and a really long deep spool. Okay, so spring wise, a nice long steel. Okay, so we've got a couple of steels, managed to get tangled up in each other. Just get that in there. Number 1 staying in put. Looks like, no, we've got a brass spring there. And another steel pin there. See number 1, oh, there you go. Okay, so no mods to the Bible. So as for feedback, I think, well, as you can see by the time, it's fucking long. I don't like doing long videos, but look at this, it's got some really nice homemade pins in there. I think the fact that it gives you feedback is, you know, makes a challenge lock a little bit easier. And I have picked this in a lot quicker time. But like I say, I've tried a couple of times on film and it's very camera shy, but it gave up in the end. So anyway, sorry if that was a bit long and boring, but Edward Duell, cracking little challenge lock. So thank you very much.